using the Google Ads dynamic seller rating option can give you the ability to show a rating on your store without you having to, manually do anything from your end, which can be quite nice. So this is sort of what it looks like. This is just an example from Google Ads where they're showing, hey, here's an ad, Sarah's Design shoe store, shows the rating with the number of reviews and everything. And here's, a little bit of information about what it's actually going to show if you qualify, of course. This is kind of what it looks like this is actually an organic result, but you can imagine with Best Buy, there's a whole bunch of different sellers and stuff. And so it's giving a seller rating for each person who's on Amazon. So this can be very beneficial if you don't want to go through and manually add all this data. Google can just pull the data directly from your website and put it on your store. Now, in some cases, it's going to be doing not the best job, and in which case you might want to turn this off. So let's take a look at how you would turn this either on or off depending on what you're trying to achieve here. So first of all, you go into your Google Ads account, go to campaigns, and then under assets, you're going to see there's these 3 dots over here where it says more. If you click on those 3 dots, you'll see the account level automated assets. When we click on that, it is going to show some assets that are already set up for this account and some data around these assets. If we click on more again, it'll say advanced settings. And when we click through to there, that's where we'll see this seller rating right here. And you can see it's turned on currently. And it even shows the example kind of like what I was showing you before, where it has the stars kind of below the ad so people can see what that looks like. You can turn this off. You would just need to select a reason why you don't want it to, be on anymore. Maybe you want to retain more control. Click save, and then the dynamic seller rating is turned off at that point. You can turn this back on. Click save, and it will automatically associate the rating from your website or pages from your website with your ads pretty much dynamically. So that way, you don't really have to do much. It will just kind of do its own thing. But again, in some cases, it's not going to be providing the best results, and so you might just want to turn it off. Just kind of depends on your situation. So I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.